Alright, what's up everybody? This is Peanut EOD, and I'm at the gates of the neighborhood I live in. I'm not actually at my house. I'm at the gate where you enter the neighborhood. I'm going to do a little experiment today. Right now we're in the middle of the Kung Flu, and I want to see how long it takes to ride around 285 during the apocalypse. There's not a whole lot of traffic out on the road, so I got my time set. It's 1:42. I've already checked. I should have enough gas to make it all the way around. If not, maybe I gotta stop. No big deal. And I've zeroed out my trip meter. Alright, get my short ass on the other side of the bike so I can put it in gear. Let's see how long this takes. I'm not gonna be hauling ass because the roads are empty, although I see a lot of people doing that. I'm just going to be going about normal traffic speed, which in Atlanta is normally pretty fast, but I'm going to try not to do that. I'm just going to kind of cruise around 285. If I just filmed the whole thing, well, I'm going to film the whole thing, but if I left the video unedited, that would be a long, boring video. So I'm going to edit it, but I'm going to keep showing the timestamp. Or not timestamp, but the clock. Now, as you can see, people are hauling ass. Like, this is a 45 zone. I'm doing 55. People are just passing me like I'm standing still. I don't know where people get the idea that just because there's nobody on the road means there's no rules. There's rules. Same rules apply as before. That can't be right. Oh, son of a bitch. My speedometer got flipped over to kilometers per hour. I'm only doing 60. Alright, this is going to be... Let's see if I can figure out how to... Miles per hour, there we go. Dumbass. Alright, that's much better. I mean, I know this bike is fast, but damn. like these big freeway sign painted in the middle of the road. It's like paint by numbers for driving. A lot of my Marine friends appreciate that. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the little button that looks like that, and then hit the little bell thing. And whether you're new or not, leave a comment down below. And if you're new, leave a comment, tell me how you found this. I'm kind of curious. So if you don't know the Atlanta area, there's 285, kind of makes a ring around Atlanta, like this. And then there's Interstates 75 and 85, which kind of cross in the middle. So it looks like an X. So 85 goes from southwest to northeast. 75 goes from southeast to northwest. And then 285 makes a ring around it, and I-20 goes right through the middle. other videos. Well, that's one loop around 285 in Atlanta in under an hour. Went 64 miles. And I'm not exactly at my house, but I'm not gonna show all the way to my house. I'm within a mile of my house from where I started. So you can add a minute on if you want, but it's still under 2 hours. I'm gonna go to the Shell station and I'm gonna stop recording. So thanks for watching if you made it to this point. Later.